On this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to cancel Netflix auto payment easily. And if you have any question at the end of this video, make sure to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, let's say you subscribe to Netflix and every month they keep debiting your account and removing their money from your account automatically. Then this video is the right video for you. So all you have to do in order to start, disabling this automatic payment feature on Netflix, then all you have to do is just go to your browser and go to netflix.com. So once you get to netflix.com, make sure to log in your account. So once you are done logging into your account, all you have to do is just click on manage accounts that you can see right now. So if you can't see it like this on your own device, then all you have to do, click on your icon above. So once you click on that, you are still going to see account. So just click on it. So once you get here, all you have to do now is just to click on manage membership, or you can just click on membership over there at the option. So once you click on manage membership, you are going to get to this section. So all you have to do now is just look for the place where you'll be able to cancel your membership. So scroll down. So once you scroll down, you are going to see cancel membership. So once you click on that, it's going to load up a little bit, and then it's going to want to confirm if you want to actually cancel your membership. So you can see below, you can actually pause the subscription for 1 month, or you can just totally click on finish cancellation, and then that will totally cancel your Netflix membership, and then that way they won't be able to debit you every month. This is actually very useful to people that they subscribe to Netflix and then they are always busy with work and they forgot that they actually have a Netflix account. So at the end of every month, or rather every month, they will be getting debited on Netflix without even watching any movies on Netflix, because they totally forgot that they have a Netflix account. So if you are that kind of person and you are getting debited every month and you are not even using a Netflix account, then what you have to do is just come here and cancel your Netflix membership. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video. And please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected. I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, towards the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos, or you might start seeing some of my playlists. So you can also take out time to watch that, to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.